Records are another data structure that we can use. Now in Python, they're not created in a very elegant way, so we're going to just have to take some of this as read. So when you're creating your record, you first need to create a class, and everything is going to be very similar to what's here, except you can change the name of your class to be whatever you want it to be. You're going to need all of this, that has to be the same, but you can have, again, different attributes. So you might want to change that and that, name and height there, just to whatever's suitable for your case. And you also might want to add in additional attributes as well. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to add in an extra attribute here, one called description, and then again set that to equal none. And then I've got my two attributes here for name and height, and then I'm going to add my additional one now for description equals description. Like I said, just accept that as read. You can use that as a template and then modify it to your needs. So let's now create our objects and create our records associated with this. So we're going to show you how to do this in two ways. So I'm going to do cloud1, and we're going to do it by creating an object called cloud1 and by actually putting the values directly in at this point. So we're going to create a cirrus record, and the height of it is high, and its description is wispy. Okay, and if we just print out that now, so that we hopefully that's worked for us to show that it's worked, and we do run, and we can see it's created an object, right? But we can access the different attributes in that object by going cloud1.name. There we go. We can do cloud1.height. You can see where this is going, and so on, right? So we can access each of those different attributes. Now, another way of creating a record is to create it empty to start with, and then to add the different attributes that we need. So we're going to create cloud2. So we just create our object there, and then we add in our attributes. So then we do cloud.name equals, so we're going to create Nimbostratus, and then we're going to, so that's cloud2 name, that should be, oops, and then cloud2.height, and that's going to be medium, and then cloud2 description, and that's going to be rain cloud. So again, we can access each of those attributes now. If I do print cloud2, and then we'll do description. So if I run this, and you can see it's output as we expected. So yeah, that's how we create records. So the two ways I've shown you, and as I said, don't worry too much if this is really confusing. Just use that as a template, just modify it to your needs. So the thing you want to modify, just to reiterate, is the name of the class there, and the different names of the attributes you might have. So you might want to change these, and also you might want to add attributes or remove attributes to your needs.